Ever felt super excited before a party, but super anxious before an exam? Both situations have people, both come with pressure, so why do the feelings feel so different? Or like, when your friends are sad, they grab a tub of ice cream. But you feel like smashing your phone. Why does this happen? Well, that's exactly what psychology helps us understand. This subject helps us figure out what we're thinking, how we're feeling, and why we behave the way we do. So, what is psychology? In simple words, psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. Sounds a bit serious at first, right? But think about it. Psychologists are like detectives. Except instead of solving murders, they solve the biggest mystery of all. Ourselves. Our friends' stories, our own reactions, emotional meltdowns, everything. Like, why do some people freeze up on stage while others dance like Ranveer Singh at a wedding? Psychology finds the answer. Let's make it relatable. Real-life examples. Example 1. There's a guy in your class who never participates. You might think, he's boring or such attitude. But psychology says, hang on, look deeper. Maybe he has stage fright or a fear of people. It's called social anxiety. Example 2. A friend checks their phone every 10 minutes, even while eating. You get annoyed. Dude, just put the phone down for once. But psychology helps us see. Maybe it's a habit, a coping mechanism, or even a dopamine addiction. Get it now? Every behavior has a backstory. The 4 goals of psychology. This is where it gets interesting. Psychology doesn't just ask why. It aims to 1. Describe behavior. Step 1. What's happening? Raya bites her nails whenever she's stressed. That's describing the behavior. 2. Explain behavior. Next, why is it happening? Maybe Rhea is anxious, and nail biting helps her relieve stress. That's explaining the behavior. 3. Predict behavior. Then we can guess, when will it happen again? When exams come, she'll likely bite her nails again. That's predicting behavior. 4. Control or modify behavior. And the most important, can we change it? We can help Rhea by giving her a stress ball or teaching her breathing exercises. That's controlling or modifying behavior, so always remember, describe, explain, predict, control. These are the 4 powerful goals of psychology. Let's wrap it up. Psychology helps us understand how people think, feel, and act. Whether it's you, your best friend, or your parents, everyone's behavior tells a story. And when you study psychology, you don't just become smarter, you become more understanding, kind, and emotionally strong. So next time someone says, "Dude, why do you overthink so much?" just smile and say, "Wait, let me describe, explain, predict, and maybe even control it." If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your batchmates, and subscribe to Indian Yogi Baba for more chill, fun, and personal psychology lessons. See you in the next class. Until then, study humans, but stay human.